Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to customize change volume settings in the screen recorder feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, then to the screen recorder, find the screen recorder button, tap on it, then after it asks start recording, here you can select recording audio source. So here you can switch if you want to record audio or just no audio recording. And here you can select microphone, device audio, or device audio and microphone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.